What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got a bunch of renovations going on here in the shop. Make sure to click and subscribe and click the link so you can get a chance to win that bad boy right there. Hey, what are you doing? You're doing what?
Putting my face on.
Putting your face on?
Yeah.
Just putting her face on. I'm gonna go pick up some more envelopes, shipping envelopes. The ones I had, we ran out. All your orders are getting packaged up and shipped out, guys. I ran the first batch, but of course I ran out of all the envelopes and all the shipping packages that I had, so I had to order a whole bunch more.
Take the exit toward Beechnut Street and South Gessner Road.
Just Siri. We're almost there.
It's because you have an old school phone.
I don't have an old school phone. What the hell are you talking about? My phone's new. Well, it's new to me.
It's new to you, but you're in Beechnut. Beechnut.
About an hour and something away from the house. Just
In half a mile, turn right onto South Gessner Road.
half a mile. Why is
At the
radio?
next light, turn right.
Because you don't like listening to music.
I don't. The radio stays off all the time. Like
All
I've
the
never
time.
turned the radio on. Like it's
All
off.
the time. And if you get in his truck, you're not going to listen to no.
At the light, turn right onto South Gessner
We
Road.
went to Vegas, and what was it, like 30 hours? 31 hours?
Oh no, it's a long ways though.
And the radio was off all the time.
And if you get any radio from Blackboy, it's going to be from his YouTube playlist.
Yeah.
And it's like Eminem, Snoop Dogg.
Yeah.
May I have your attention, please?
Chinese lettering. How the hell are you supposed to know what it says?
You read the English part,
Oh,
right?
I guess so.
Okay. Finally got the envelopes to package everything out. Anyways, guys, make sure y'all go and look at the blacklisperformance.com. Your entries for Mona Lisa. Never know. You could be the winner.
I wonder who's gonna win it.
I know. That'd be pretty cool if it was like somewhere we never been.
Honestly, I mean, where would you like for it to go?
Honestly, you know where I would like for it to go to? Honestly, just because I want you to take me over there. California.
California. There is a lot of entries from California.
California. I've heard California knows how to party. I'm playing, I don't party. I told you that.
Honestly. No, there's been all over the place.
Pretty cool.
Yeah. No, we need to be on that road.
Wow.
We need to be on that road.
What road?
That one over there.
Oh.
West Park. I think I fucked up.
I think you did.
Well, I'm trying to make a U-turn now.
I think
Well,
you
we're
should have
gonna-
went to that way. Look.
No.
Yeah, 'cause you could have went on the bottom.
We need to get back to the main road. Maybe if I make... You know what? I'm gonna go here. We are...
Siri doesn't know how to give directions either. So how's she gonna get you there?
Well, I mean, she gonna try. No. Where's the freeway?
It says U-turn. Where?
I'm gonna go. Let me see.
It looks like it's this way.
We need to go that way. We're gonna go this way. Oh, you see? I told you.
I told you. You need to turn that
Siri
way.
told me to go this way.
Siri didn't tell you. It was me.
Siri told me to get in the right way.
I've been telling you before Siri. I said, I think you need to go
But,
that way.
hold on.
In 1.1 miles, turn right onto Wesleyan Street.
You know what?
So when is this giveaway gonna be?
It ends July 16, 2023. That's gonna be at midnight. It's going to be the final orders that come in, and then we have to process all the orders, get them over to the computer, and then we will announce the live viewing of when it's going to be.
It's going on right now. This
The metro.
is what's going on. There's a little accident right there, so people are not.
I just want to crash somebody too,
Oh my God!
just because they don't move.
She should have
Well, anyway.
done that to begin with.
Back to the giveaway. Final orders, the deadline is going to be on the 16th of July at midnight. So whenever we do the live viewing, the order number is going to pop up, and that will be the designated winner. So there it is, guys. July 16th is the last day that you can buy merch before we close the store at midnight. I'm excited. I'm excited. Are you excited?
I'm excited to see who's gonna win it.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Somebody's gonna be real excited when they win it.
Question is,
Somebody's gonna be real excited.
remember, guys, once you get your package made, y'all send us a message letting us know that you got your package.
Tag us.
Tag away.
Tag us.
Keep buying entries. You never know.
You never
And
know.
for those that haven't got your entries, make sure y'all get your entries because y'all never know. Y'all can be the lucky person to win this beautiful truck.
We've got some shirts coming.
Really?
Once I get the final draft, I can post up, and they are gonna be for sale. I'm gonna put them up in the store, and you'll be able to purchase your shirt.
We finally got our new logo done, so
Yep.
that's pretty exciting to share with y'all as y'all been seeing the logo going out and stuff like that.
The logo is something I wanted to do. I mean, I had the old logo, so I wanted to get a new logo done. But thanks to Frank and Beto from On the Gas, they got that logo designed for me, and it just looks killer. Also, it's kind of doing some renovations, adding to it, just to make the whole driveway way smoother. Added all the way, all the entrance, so where's it at? Right there. That's what we're doing here. Where's my horse at? I see him. He's way over there in the back. He's just chilling. But as you can see, hell yeah. Building an office. Maybe later on build a second floor. Room, bathroom, chill spot. Parking lot on the property. As you can see, it's definitely looking a lot better now. Got a bunch of crushed asphalt. Make it a lot better. Well, We are renovating, or I say maybe adding, a office to the shop. Luckily there's somebody that knows what they're doing, because I sure don't. If it was me, this would be all crooked. So, needless to say, I'm no carpenter. Here will be an office for myself. And then around here, gonna add maybe some couches. Got a big 70-inch TV that's gonna go right there.
I'm just waiting on the electrician now and
Oh, the electrician?
guy.
Where's he at? Oh, you're right there, the electrician. He made it. Looks pretty good. Shit, yeah. Damn. There you go, guys. I hope you like this video. Make sure to click and subscribe. Also, go check out fluxperformance.com. Get your merch to win Mona Lisa. I'm gonna show you a little sneak peek real quick. Check that out.